You explain code requirements to customers by translating legal and safety language into plain terms, showing them exactly what it means for their project, their timeline, and their budget before any work begins. Building codes exist to keep people safe, but most homeowners have never read one and have no idea why a certain wall needs extra support or why a permit is required for a simple bathroom swap. The trick is to stop quoting the code itself and instead explain the reason behind it, because people remember reasons, not rule numbers. For example, if a code requires a certain type of wiring, don't just say it's required, explain that it prevents overheating and house fires. Something most people don't know is that many local codes actually change every few years as cities adopt updated versions, so what your neighbor did to their house 5 years ago might not be allowed today. Always show the customer the specific section that applies to their job and walk them through it slowly, almost like you're reading a recipe together. This builds trust fast because they see you're not making up rules to charge more money, you're following a real system designed to protect them. One common mistake is assuming the customer understands why permits take time, so explain that inspections are scheduled separately and delays are normal, not a sign something went wrong. Another misconception is that customers think code requirements are optional if they're paying out of pocket, so be clear that skipping them can affect insurance claims and even the resale value of the home later on. A big one people overlook is grandfathered systems, meaning older parts of a house may not meet current code until you touch or renovate that specific area, and once you do, the whole section usually has to be brought up to today's standard. If you need help with a project, search for trusted affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.